The heat is affecting the health of some of our area, and for some, that's meant a trip to the hospital with higher temperatures. First responders expect to handle more heat-related calls. NBC4's Eric Halperin shows us how much that's been happening here in the capital city.
The Columbus Division of Fire just shared these statistics with me today. They're the heat calls from the past week. A battalion chief says, as expected, there has been a noticeable increase this week compared to others. The sun and heat bearing down on central Ohio day after day is taking a toll.
I can tell you anecdotally that there is a lot of very busy emergency room.
Dr. Hussein Kashk is an emergency room doctor with Ohio Health. He says the department has been busier with patients dealing with health issues brought on by the hot weather.
We have seen a lot of patients coming to the emergency room for heat exhaustion, and some of them actually ended up being pretty sick people.
Whenever the temperatures rise like this, medics often respond to heat-related calls. Since last Friday, numbers from the Columbus Division of Fire show they've received 64 heat-related 911 calls.
It's been incredibly hot.
According to the numbers, 41 of those calls have led to patients needing to be taken to the hospital. For comparison, Battalion Chief Jeffrey Getter says during a week earlier this month, there were 5 heat calls with 1 person hospitalized. There's a chance we'll have to deal with dangerous heat again later this summer. Getter says it's important people listen to the advice.
Drink a lot of water early and often. You know, for those that are working outside, you're gonna have to take some breaks and get out of the heat for a little bit. Don't overdo it. You know, your health is more important than, whatever you're doing outside.
And Chief Getter says the division tracked numbers from last weekend's Buckeye Country Superfest separately. Those show at least 11 heat calls from that event. Local for you, I'm Eric Halperin, NBC4.